Oh yes. As long as it's just simple appointments and stuff, it's fine for my phone, but as soon as I need to write down more, prefer a planner. Like this semester at uni is hell. Which week rally car, everything will kill you, so choose something fun. Horizontal shirt. When is which homework due? Shit like that makes a phone calendar pretty convoluted and annoying to type out. Oh yes. As long as it's just simple. Rally car, everything will kill you, so choose something fun. Horizontal shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. I was the same way for a long time. Enter the Artful Agenda app. It's so much like using a paper planner, and I'm really glad I made the switch. You even get to pick your cover. Handwriting style. Rally car, everything will kill you, so choose something fun. Horizontal shirt. Love it. Hashtag not sponsored. Writing things down helps me remember them because other product.